Founded in 1980, Kleidco's production journey within Sarai Group begins in its own facilities. Aluminum is meticulously processed from raw material to the final product. The secret to making dreams come true is to uncover the solutions hidden in the details. Since its establishment, this is what sets Kleidco and its innovative vision apart. Kleidco, an international system house company, integrates cutting-edge technology and expertise with an unwavering commitment to precision. Its top-tier aluminum construction solutions for high-end buildings extend beyond conventional window, door, and facade production. Boasting a skilled team with expertise in detailed solutions and a dedication to customized design, Kleidco provides tailored products and systems that precisely cater to project requirements, ensuring hassle-free and guaranteed solutions. The stylish products designed by Kleidco are developed in partnership with internationally acclaimed consulting firms. Interactions with project managers encompassing clients, architects, consultants, and contractors are guided by a customer-centric, global perspective. Kleidco upholds a commitment to efficiency and sustainability throughout the design and production phases of all its products and systems. Every step is meticulously and precisely managed to ensure the highest standards. Every manufacturing stage undergoes rigorous monitoring. The process is only considered complete following a comprehensive workflow that includes accredited test results approved by international institutions. Kleidco pledges architects the design freedom they envision with its maximum opening systems tailored to each architectural project. Kleidco is an innovative solution center seamlessly blending trust, quality, and comfort. It offers project-specific consultancy and R&D services, along with certified systems known for their proven performance and superior air and water resistance values, as required by present-day projects. Kleidco showcases an expanding portfolio of accomplishments, spanning from luxury residences to public buildings, and from commercial structures to healthcare facilities, thanks to its designs engineered to withstand diverse weather and geographical conditions, ensuring enhanced safety levels and profiles adept at handling substantial static loads, delivering optimal solutions with peak performance. Thanks to its youthful and dynamic organization, Kleidco has achieved global prominence and firmly established itself on the international stage. Kleidco will keep working with the same pace to undertake challenging projects in global markets, expanding its international commercial network with new agencies, showrooms, and warehouses. Kleidco has significant strides to enhance accessibility and internal component production for its product line. At Kleidco, windows open to the world and doors to innovations. For that is the essence of Kleidco's success, making dreams come true.